In this video, we're going to show you how to back up your Lenovo PC with an external hard drive. Once you have an external hard drive with enough capacity for your backup requirements, plug it into your computer. Open your Windows settings and navigate to Update and Security. On the left, select Backup and click the Add Drive button. You will see your external hard drive in the drop-down menu. Select the drive and Windows will use it for file history. Once your drive is selected, you will see a toggle to automatically back up your files. If this is toggled on, anytime you plug in this hard drive, it will automatically start backing up your new files. To manage how your computer backs up to your hard drive, click the More Options button. If you ever want to back up your computer before you shut it down, you can click the Backup Now button to make sure your backup drive is current. There are also options for how often your computer will back up. Clicking the drop-down menu under Keeping My Backups lets you choose how long to keep your backups as well. A little further down the page, you will see the folders that your computer is backing up. If you don't see a folder that should be backing up, click the Add Folder button and navigate to the folder you wish to add to your backups. If you see a folder that you do not want to back up, select the folder and click the Remove button. You can only run one backup drive at a time. If you wish to use a new drive to back up your computer, you will need to select Stop Using Drive at the bottom of the Backup Options page before you can add a new one. This will not delete any files from your current backup drive. If you do not want to manage your backup through Windows Automation, you can do everything manually. Once your backup drive is plugged in, you can drag and drop any files that you wish to back up directly to the hard drive. If you do go this route, be extra careful. You do not want to replace the new versions of your files with the old ones by accident. There are also other third-party software companies out there that have developed programs to sync hard drives with the most up-to-date versions of the files. For more information on your Lenovo devices, visit support.lenovo.com.